To locate the performance report, navigate to the reporting section as indicated here and select Performance Report. This report shows you the income from reservations depending on the criteria that you have selected. Dates in this report are exact, which means the charges on reservations might not be included depending on the day the charge was processed and your selected start and end date. As a result, not all charges may appear in this report. To start your report, select your start and end date. Next, select the criteria that you wish to report on, such as client types, nationalities, originating agents, rate types, reservation status, room types, and source. This report is especially useful if you would like to review how certain agents are performing. So for this example, we will be using client types. You can further choose which reservation status you want to report on. You can select a single status or multiple statuses, or include all available statuses except not cancelled. Non-accommodation charges can be included or excluded, and the report can be grouped by month if reviewing multiple months. Once you have selected your desired criteria, select Pull Report. As you can see, the report has now been broken down by client type. To expand on any row, select the plus sign and use the minus sign to collapse again. You can further drill down into this information by expanding the rows twice. This will then give you a breakdown of the reservations that make up the current totals reflected. This includes metrics such as your average lead time, number of reservations, occupancy percentage, room nights, guest nights, number of rooms, number of guests, accommodation excluding tax, accommodation tax, accommodation including tax, non-accommodation excluding tax, non-accommodation tax, non-accommodation including tax, average room rate, average guest rate, and finally, your rate contribution percentage. If you wish to search for a specific agent name, this can be entered into your filter field. Only the selected agent entered into the field's information will then be shown. That name doesn't need to be exact. The system will identify client profiles that partially match your input as well. To review how your rate types are performing, simply change your Report On section to Rate Types. If, for example, you only want to review rate types that have been confirmed or guaranteed, simply select the desired statuses and select Pull Report. Now you will see all of the rate types that have been confirmed, reconfirmed, or guaranteed. And once again, to expand this information, select your plus sign. And that is our overview of the performance report.